there are two different words. Все and with just the same spelling, we read it всё. Why is it so? I mean, I don't really know. In the Russian alphabet, there are two different letters, E and Yo. But for some reason, Russians almost never write those two little funny dots on top of the letter E. This is exactly why you get confused so many times at the very beginning of your Russian language journey. My name is Tanya Syomke and I'm very happy to welcome you to the Smart Russian School's official channel on YouTube. So, when do we use все, the one without dots? Все is a plural determinative pronoun. Все can be used both with subjects or objects. For example, все люди любят отдыхать. We have a plural subject here, люди. And so, what people? All the people. Все люди. Another my favorite example. Все наши студенты хорошо говорят по-русски. Мне нравятся все девушки в университете. And the last example here. Все хотят спать. Sometimes when there is no need to name an object or a subject, when it's clear from the context, then we can just say все. And in this case, it will mean everybody. So, turn off the music, everybody wants to sleep. Все хотят спать. Все хотят спать. Now, when do we use the dots? The two little dots on top of the letter. Всё as a singular neuter pronoun meaning the whole, the entire. This word всё must be used with neuter nouns. For example, у тебя всё лицо красное. У тебя всё лицо красное. We have here the subject лицо, ending with the o. We know that this is a neuter noun. This is why we use всё to say that it is the whole face got red. У тебя всё лицо красное. But even more often we use всё all alone and then it means everything. Examples. Я хочу знать всё. Я хочу знать всё. The second example. Мы должны продать всё, чтобы купить этот дорогой дом. Мы должны продать всё, чтобы купить этот дорогой дом. The example that you already know and I'm sure you use it a lot. Как дела? The answer can be всё хорошо. Or, if it's awesome, you say всё отлично. If it's okay, you say всё нормально. Нормально. You can say всё плохо. When you're doing really badly, you should say всё плохо. And then it means you're about to go in details, telling how badly you're doing. Всё плохо. And the last example, I like it a lot. Всё или ничего. Всё или ничего. Right, that's what you need to know about the difference between всё and все, or все and всё. Let me know in the comments below if it became more clear to you. Don't forget to subscribe to watch other short and long videos on Russian grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. And thank you for learning Russian. Пока!